The Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact has a rear 19MP camera, the same resolution as the Xperia XZ1 Compact. Some improvements have been made, though, and this phone is a far better camera than Sony flagships of a couple of years ago. Standard procedure for older Sony top models was to use ultra-high resolution 23MP cameras, far too high resolution for their sensor size. In an attempt to patch this up, Sony used quite nasty image processing that left finely knit natural textures looking scratchy and ugly. Down at pixel level, the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact's images still look obviously processed, with a clear attempt to bring out fine detail like the faraway branches of trees. However, the result no longer deserves a dewy response of disgust. And the shots have loads of detail. Sony has, more recently, also improved its auto HDR algorithms, used to balance out bright skies in the foreground without blowing out highlights. Is it a star? Not quite. We still saw numerous instances of general overexposure and a few blown highlights. However, performance is more consistent than previous years. A few classic Sony traits remain, though. The Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact tends to overemphasize greens, making your nature shots look a little candied. And purple tinges to textures are common, particularly in brown and near black tones. The Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact still lacks proper optical image stabilization too. Instead, it uses a gyro-based system that times the exposure to when your hands are at their stillest. This isn't the best night shooter around, but it is one of the best among phones without optical image stabilization. Detail retrieval in dimly lit conditions is surprisingly good, with a fair amount of fine detail visible even at ISO 800. This is the sort of sensitivity the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact might use for a street-lit night scene.